This is just a warning for anyone who watches this video that it is never safe to go outside during a thunderstorm. When thunder roars, you go indoors. Stop all activities, seek shelter in a substantial building or hard-topped vehicle. You should always wait 30 minutes after the storm to resume activities. Just a quick note on how thunderstorms form before we begin. Warm air that's moist, so it's full of water, wetness, rises up. This rising up of this warm air pushes the cold, dry air above it further into the sky, and this creates these tall clouds that end up being thunderclouds. The moisture in this air begins to fall to the ground as rain, or sometimes as hail, depending on the severity of the thunderstorm. Eventually, this cloud will become smaller and smaller as the moisture falls out of it, and things will return to normal. Thunderstorms are pretty common all across the world, but what made this one unique for me personally was that I've never seen such a constant storm before, at least not in my neck of the woods. So where I live, storms are usually about 10 to 15 minutes long. There's a couple small flashes, a few big booms, and that's it. But this was the first time that I got to witness a storm that went for a good half hour, and it was really just constant flashes, constant booming. And it was also the first time that I got to witness hail firsthand. So hail is when the rain actually gets pushed back up into the sky and it forms little balls of ice as it comes back down. I've heard of hail before, and I've been indoors when hail has hit before, but I've never actually gotten to film it. So this was really exciting for me, and I hope you enjoy my thunderstorm video and find it peaceful just like I do. Wow, I've never seen a thunderstorm like this before. Oh, this storm is angry. Ooh. Seems like it might be getting further away. That one was awesome. I hope nobody got hurt. Oh my goodness. That one scared me. My phone's gonna die soon. I can't believe this is still going on. It hasn't moved on yet. Very slow moving storm. Oh. Wow, look at that hail.
Okay, I'm going out.
Sorry?
This is wild.
Dude. Oh, man.
Look at this. Whoa. Whoa. Look at that piece. Oh my goodness.
This is insane.
Here goes the pizza.
No, this is awesome. Wow.
Look at them falling in the water. Look at the splashes they're making.
Ow. Yeah, a bunch of times. Oh my gosh, is that a garbage can? Lid going down the street. It's a pool! Go get it!
Yeah, okay.
Oh, my car got it! Okay. Oh no. The garbage can knocked over.